Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Children, as you know that your PT1 course is over and I'm going to start your half yearly syllabus. Okay. So class 4 in your half yearly syllabus there are again two chapters of computer. Okay. So today I'm going to start your first chapter of your half yearly course. The name of the chapter is Editing in Word 2013. Okay children, let's start our today's chapter. Dear student, today I am going to start your first chapter of your half yearly syllabus. The name of the chapter is Editing in Word 2013. Here in this chapter we have seen that there are 6 topics. Okay, these are the 6 topics of Editing in Word 2013. Actually, this chapter is a long chapter, so I have decided that I will divide this chapter into 2 videos. And the first video means today's videos. I will explain the first 3 topics of this chapter. That means editing document, undo and repeat and redo command, spelling and grammar check, and I will explain the basic concepts of cut, copy and paste. And the rest of the part I will explain in another video. So cut and paste, copy and paste, find and replace, this I will discuss in the another video. Okay, so today I will explain that is editing document. Here we will learn that what is document, what is editing document, undo, repeat and redo command. These are the main commands of editing document. So what is undo, repeat and redo we will learn here. And third one is spelling and grammar check. This is one of the main editing command in Microsoft Word. And here the basic concepts we will discuss about basic concepts of cut, copy and paste. Okay, so before going to start the first topic of this chapter, I would like to tell you one more thing, that children, before watching the video you will do one thing, that you will read the chapter. Books are available, so you will read the chapter first, then you will watch the video. If you read the chapter no, then it is very easy for you to understand all the concepts, terms, etc. Because we will provide the video through explanations. So if you read the chapter, then you will know the basic terms, and after watching the video, the concepts and terms, it is easy for you to understand. Okay, so I hope you all are read the chapter before watching the video from the next time. Okay, so today I am going to start your first topic of your first chapter, that is editing document. Editing document. When you create a document, it may contain a number of errors. Word 2013 has a wonderful editing features that enable you to make changes to your document in order to correct these errors. This is called editing. The main editing commands are undo, repeat, redo, cut, copy, paste, find and replace. What is editing command? That before going to editing command, first we will know about what is document. Do you know what is document? Document means that whatever you have written Okay, in your computer, that is called document. So when you create a document, it may contain a number of errors. So when when you have created a document, then generally there is lots of mistakes there. And Word 2013 has a wonderful editing features that enable you to make changes to your document in order to correct these errors. This is called editing. Children, actually editing means making changes. Okay, so when you create a document, it may contain a number of errors. In any document, a number of errors is there. Okay, so the process, okay, or the procedure that helps us to make changes to our document in order to correct the errors. This process or the procedure is called editing. And Microsoft Word 2013 has a wonderful editing features that helps us to eradicate to our errors or mistakes and make our document in a correct way. Okay, so this process or the procedure is called editing. And there are main editing commands. Some main editing commands are there. These are undo, repeat, redo, cut, copy, paste, find and replace. So these are the main editing commands of Microsoft Word. I would like to give you one example here. Suppose you have written a paragraph about your school, okay, in Microsoft Word. So after completing means after writing is over, after completing your document, you have noticed that in your paragraph there are some number of errors is there. Okay, the errors may be spelling mistakes or grammatical mistakes or even miss out some words. Okay, so in that case what you will do? Obviously you will correct the errors from your document. So how you will correct the errors? By using some tools you have to correct the errors and make to your document in a perfect way, isn't it? So it means that the process through which we can make changes in our document in the correct order by correcting the errors is called editing. And we know that the main editing commands are undo, repeat, redo, cut, copy, paste, find and replace. Okay, this is the basic concept of editing document, and these are the main editing commands of Microsoft Word. Now you will move to our next topic, that is undo, repeat, redo commands. We know that undo, repeat, redo commands, these are the main editing commands. Okay, editing documents command. So what is undo? Undo helps us to reverse the last action performed. Repeat command helps us to repeat the last actions you performed. And redo is the opposite of undo. When you press redo, it reverses the effect of undo command. Children, undo means that it is the reverse last actions, means it performs the reverse last actions which we performed. Okay, and undo helps us to revert the last action performed, means undo is a function, okay, performed to reverse the actions of an earlier function, and it is used to reverse a mistake such as deleting the using word in a sentence. Okay, so you can frequently Uh, Frequently use undo the errors if you notice it in time. I will give one example of undo that if you typed a word, okay, and then you this word is deleted by you by mistakenly. So in that case, undo helps us to reverse the last actions performed. That means by the help of undo we can get our deleted word. Okay. So repeat command helps us to repeat the last actions you performed. What is the meaning of repeat? Repeat means that to saying a thing more than once. Okay. Repeat means that to do or say something over again. Repeat is repeat refers that repeating a sequence of instructions in a certain number of times or until some specific result is achieved. Okay, and in Microsoft Word, repeat command helps us to repeat the last actions you performed. Let's see what is redo. Redo is the opposite of undo. When you press redo, it reverses the effect of undo command. That means redo is the opposite of undo. That means the functions of redo and undo is totally different from each other. And when you press redo, it reverses the effect of undo command. That means undo helps us to reverse the last actions we performed, and redo helps redo. When you press redo, it reverses the effect of undo command. So we can say that redo functions restores any actions, okay, that have been previously undone using an undo. For example, if you typed a word and then deleted it using an undo, the redo functions would restore the word that you deleted. To undo an actions, we press Ctrl Z. It is very important. Ctrl Z. It is a shortcut key of undo, and to redo an undone actions, we press Ctrl plus Y. So Ctrl plus Y is a shortcut key of redo. So these are the shortcut keys of undo and redo. Ctrl plus Z and Ctrl plus Y. The undo and redo features say let you remove or repeat single or multiple typing actions, but all actions must be undone or redone in the order you did or undid them. You can't skip actions. Okay, these are the basic things of undo, repeat and redo commands. Now we will start our third topic. Spelling and grammar check. It is one of the main editing commands of Microsoft Word. A document often contains a lot of mistakes that we are not able to spot. This mainly includes spelling and grammatical errors. Spelling and grammar check features helps us points out the spellings and grammatical mistakes. It also offers suggestions to correct them. We know that spelling check is a software program, okay, that corrects the spelling errors in word processing. All Microsoft Office program can check spelling, and most can check grammar. So we know that a document often contains a lot of mistakes that we are not able to spot. This mainly includes spelling and grammatical errors. If a document has a lot of mistakes of grammar and spelling errors, then we can consider that document as a complete and accurate document, isn't it? Until it is free from these errors. So Microsoft Word 2013 has a wonderful features, that is spelling and grammar check. And this spelling and grammar check features helps us not only points out spelling and grammatical mistakes, but also offers the suggestions to correct our document. Microsoft Word 2013 monitors all the words you type. Means Microsoft Word monitors all the words you type. It observes all the words you type. So you have noticed that while you type, some of the words will have a thin wavy red or blue line below the words. Okay, this shows that these underlined words contain spelling and grammatical errors. So how can we check out the spelling and grammatical mistakes? Whenever you see that the red wavy line below the word, okay, so that means that the word has spelling errors. If red line is there, then it means that the word has a spelling mistakes is there. And if blue wavy underline is there, then this blue wavy line underline indicates grammatical errors. So spelling and grammatical mistakes is one of the grammatical check is one of the main editing document in Microsoft Word. And see here in this figure, there are some lines, and among these lines some words have red wavy lines is there. So what is the meaning? That means that the words have spelling mistakes, and if blue line is there, that means that the words have grammatical mistakes is there. But in this figure, blue line is not there, only red lines. We see the red lines, so the grammatical mistakes is there. So this is the spelling and grammar check features. Now we will move to our next topic. Cut, copy and paste. Cut, copy and paste. These three are the editing commands, editing documents commands. Okay, these three are used in Microsoft Word. Cut means what? Cut is a command that allows you to cut out a selections of text or other data. Copy is the copy commands creates a duplicate of a piece of data in a storage area in Windows. Paste is a program actions that allows you to copy an object or text from one location and place it to another location. We know that cut is a cut is a command, okay, and this cut command removes the selected data from its original positions. Copy means what? The copy commands creates a duplicate a piece of data in a storage area in Windows. Means copy commands creates a duplicate file of the original content. And paste is a command that allows you to insert the data from the clipboard to an applications. Okay, in order to use a paste command, you must first use either copy or cut command. After that, you can paste the saved data into any supporting program. So cut, copy and paste are the three commands that you will find extremely useful for editing your document. Okay, and the cut, copy, paste helps us to cut or copy the selected text, pictures or other objects from a document and paste them to another part of the document. Okay children, this cut, copy, paste I will broadly discuss about the next video. Okay, I think this video will benefit you. Thank you.